What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I've got my Pella sliding glass doors, and you need to clean the inside of the glass? Well, you might notice a little fogging or a little hazing or something, or just a little dust or something inside the glass. Well, these sliding glass doors are pretty nice because they actually open up. Let me show you how to do it. Now, these types of doors are pretty common, but they're not the most common type of sliding door, usually just one panel. But these types of doors actually are pretty clever in that what you'll see here is this outer glass, or inner glass here, and then the outer glass over there, actually is like a clamshell. And you'll see these little switches right here, and they slide on the door frame. And what we have here are little plungers, just like your normal door latch, that connect and hold this outer glass in place. There's one right here, there's one in the middle, and then there's one down here. And these little sliders will slide down, and you can see that they slide up now. But when I get to one of them, it stops, and if you push it down, what you'll end up doing is detaching it. It kind of wedges in there, you gotta put a little force there. And now it's open. You've pushed the little plunger out. Now what you can do is you can come down here, and you have this little lever, and this slides up and down as well. So you can kind of move it if you need a little extra leverage and pull on this and pull the door open. So I've got this one popped open here, and then I'm going to use this bottom one and pop open the one down here. There we go. And I've got them all popped open. And now you can see, actually, this is open up, so I don't even need to use this little handle here, but what you can do is open it just like that. And you can see it's tethered, and we'll kind of pull it closed under this like tension cable up here. But I can open this thing up almost 45 degrees, or 30 degrees or so, and get in here and clean the inside of the glass. So it's just that easy. And then to close the door up, you just want to close it and push where these little latches are. You'll hear it pop into place. And then down on the bottom, boom, and you're all set. Just like that, it's really easy to get inside and clean the glass, and now it looks crystal clear, high-def glass. It's amazing, this new technology. Listen, if you want to pick up some cleaning supplies for your house, I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter Von Panda, out!